When an individual makes the brave decision to enter a sober living home, they are looking for more than just a roof over their heads. They are looking for a sanctuary. They are looking for a stabilized, structured environment where they can escape the chaotic triggers of active addiction and rebuild their lives piece by piece. But according to a deeply emotional local news report featured by KTVB, a sudden, historic summer storm has completely devastated that sanctuary for several residents in Caldwell, Idaho. Torrential rains and flash flooding severely damaged 3 separate sober living homes operated by the Caldwell Recovery Center, instantly eliminating 8 vital bed spaces. The sheer velocity of the flash flood caught the entire community entirely off guard, forcing both Canyon County and the city of Caldwell to declare citywide disaster emergencies. For the Caldwell Recovery Center, the destruction concentrated heavily in the basement areas of their facilities. In a matter of minutes, rising waters completely saturated and destroyed the structural framework of the properties, leaving the walls, floors, bathrooms, laundry rooms, and basement kitchens a total loss. Program operators learned from assessors that the properties must be completely gutted, a catastrophic financial blow that standard insurance policies, unfortunately, will not cover. For the recovered life community, this tragedy hits incredibly close to home. In grassroots addiction treatment, space is a precious, finite resource. Eliminating 8 beds doesn't just mean property damage. It means taking away 8 distinct, life-saving chances for individuals desperately waiting to transition out of detox facilities and into a stable environment. Program Director Armula shared her profound grief during her interview with KTVB, admitting that looking at the destruction left her feeling temporarily hopeless, wondering how they will ever find the resources to reach their ultimate goal of helping vulnerable people get back on their feet. Yet true to the resilient nature of the recovery movement, hopelessness is already being met with radical, collective action. Because the rebuilding process is expected to be slow and entirely self-funded, the Caldwell Recovery Center is heavily leaning on the local community for monetary assistance, food, and clothing donations to support their displaced residents. Furthermore, their dedicated partner organization, beautifully titled Hustle, Hope, Not Dope, is turning their upcoming 5-year anniversary celebration into an intentional fundraising drive, with every dollar raised going directly toward reconstructing the lost bed spaces. This disaster is a powerful reminder that the safety nets protecting our most vulnerable peers are often incredibly fragile. Sobriety flourishes when communities step up to protect the infrastructure of hope. If you want to lend your strength to their rebuilding efforts or find out how to support their recovery drive, we have placed all the official donation details and event information from KTVB here.